Giant. Jesus. Oh, dang. Uh, uh. Oh my God. Ah, ah, ah. Monster. Goliath grouper. Ito siguro morning YouTube. What's up? What's going on? Fisherman again. Here you go. Time check po muna tayo. It's 3:53 na. But anyhow, alright, set up po muna tayo. See you when I start casting. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna show you my setup real quick, mga ka-share. So what we using today is a high and low rig, a modified high and low rig, which is I improvised myself and made it myself. So it's kind of like improvised high-low rig. It's kind of like I think we really need on this area, right? So we're using is it's a monoline, 50-pound monoline. So it's a 50-pound monoline, and then I use a steel bar in there as a weight, and then I use a wire leader because I was thinking when I fish here the first time, and I fished here a few times already, I get cut off like I don't know how many already. I lose like so much hook. So there's a fish over here that's my line. So I follow one of the viewer suggestion to use a wire leader, but when I'm using a full wire leader, it's kind of like there's a little difference on bite times of fish. So I kind of like I thought it would be a good idea to use a monoline, and then a wire leader for when it bites, when it get bitten, so it's not gonna rip this, but this one, the monoline, still gonna be like less visible for fish. That's why I'm thinking. So high and low rig, modified high and low rig. So we'll see if that one works. We'll test that one out today. All right, let's get it on. First cast. Right, first setup good to go. Nice. So while waiting on the bite on the rig, on the bottom rig, it's good to like amuse yourself with some casting, you know. So I'm gonna try see if we can catch something on this 30 gram jig. First time using this, because the one my favorite jig, I already lost it. I don't know if I can replace it, so just trying see if this something wanna bite this. So let's see. Cast it as far as we can. There you go. Alright, if there's a fish like if there's a bite, I will turn it on again. Alright, let's rock and roll. There's a fish on, but I lost it. Fish on. Ano kaya to? Baka tulay lang. Tulay. Tulay. Huwag kang mapuputol. First catch. Ayan o, meron tulay bro. Nasa ano, malayo lang. Ayan o, giant hiding. Ito siguro lang yung kumagat kanina. First catch. First catch of the night, of the day. First catch of the morning. There you go. Giant at tulay. Malaki na to. Ayan na yan. Sa ano, trouble hook kumagat. Sigla mo naman doy. Ang sigla niya naman. Sa malapit lang kumagat. Ayan. Uy. Fish on. Fish on. Uy. Got a drag. Barakuda. Uy, barakuda nga. Barakuda. Second fish. Hindi na maputol. War leader na yan eh. Hindi na kayang putulin to. War leader na eh. Cool. There you go. Fish on. Fish on o ano? Baka sanga. Baka sanga. Wala bang ba? Uy! Tanggal.
Oh no!
Tanggal na naman. Sayang. Another barracuda. Kekring ko to bro pagkatapos. Hindi maputol. Bilisan. Another barracuda. Uy. And 4,000 lang yata yan, kaya matagal, medyo matagal. Oh, okay na? Uy, malaki-laki.
Oh shit.
Malaki-laki.
Damn.
Laki-laki ng konti. Number 2 barracuds. Medyo mabigat ng konti ah. A little bit bigger than the first one. There you go mga ka-share. Kala mo puputol nyo pa yung ano ko ha. Kahapon pa to eh. Yan na. Number 2 barracuds. Alright. Whoa. Putol? Oh. Sige, laban mo. Sige, laban mo muna. Basta ano, yung drag, yan, drag mo muna. Basta ano, yung tension lang. Yan, sige. Yan, malapit lang ako. Ano ba? Lapit na. I got you.
Laki to bro. Tagalin mo na.
Sige na. Uy!
Ayan bro. Hindi,
Uy! Uy!
Shit.
Ah, pating. That's a shark bro. Ano to?
Eh, may blind din ako doon yung sitsang na. Saan?
Uy! Uy, tanggal na yun.
Ay, natanggal sa'yo?
Hindi. Natanggal ako sa'yo.
Hindi.
Giant. Jesus. Oh, dang. Oh my God. Monster Goliath grouper.
Ito ba yung ka?
Eh?
May
Wala akong gap. Wala na. Putol. Pinutol niya. Ano to? Pating nyo bro.
God!
Ha?
Naunat.
Binen niya.
Naunat to.
Nabent. Pero tibay ng hook ko ha.
Tibay oh.
Oo, mumurahin lang yung hook nito eh. Bent.
Oh shit, dito mo.
Ano eh. Tibay ha. Tibay ng hook. Bilib ako. I like this hook. It got bent but that one's big. It's like 100 pounds.
Yeah.
There you go. Matibay yung hook. Okay ka lang? Okay lang yung rig mo? That was fun. That was a big one. I didn't it's still pulling, that's why. And my drag is so tight. So that's why. That's my fault. Magkakamali ko. Kasi ano eh, matindi yung drag. Hindi, okay lang. Hinigpitan ko rin eh. Kasi nagpo-pull. Ayan o. Look at what happened to my rig mga kasya. Bent. Lakas na no. Hindi mo. Kasi kaliwete ka. Ako right-handed. Kala ko maliit lang eh. Laki pala. Nabulabog tuloy yung mga ano natin. Wala,
Sayang.
hindi ko rin na ano yun eh, kikip yun, hindi ko rin na ano. Pero kung Goliath grouper yun, kikip yun. Oo, lapu-lapu, kung lapu-lapu yun na sigurado na. Yung Goliath, di ba? Pero yung ganong bigat, bro. Ano yan? Yeah.
Hilahin mo yung sasakyan ay doon sa side.
Puputulin lang ako doon pag naiangat ko yun eh. Puputulin yung rad ko. May naputol lang.
I-drag mo hanggang doon sa babaeng ko yun mo.
Tibay niya oh. Subok na yung war leader ko. Kaya makapakagat ng ano, monster. Replay na. Oh, ready ka na? Ready ka na iangat to. Papalaban siya dito eh. 8,000 to eh. Ayan ang pating oh. Pating. Let's start. Oh,
Bumalik ah.
wala na. Inimpesta na tayo ng shark. Ayan. Matira matibay ito ngayon. Malagotok. Malagotok yung ano. Jesus man. Pero pakiangat nga itong isa. Itong ano. Para hindi magtanggal. Nurse shark. Palaban tuloy tayo. Ay. Mababang labanan to bro. Layo mo pa. Mapuputol na naman yung hook nito eh. Mabebenta. Ang tibay oh. Kayang-kaya nga ano ba. Kung di mo lang mamadaliin. Laban. Laban monster.
Tangina para ka, mawala siya.
Magtanda. Naamoy yung pain ko. Maaga-agang exercise. Uy, huwag ka na lumaban. Angat ka na lang. 80 pounds. Pero yung ano, yung leader 50 lang. Malabang pa rin eh. Connection.
Grouper yung rider mo doon.
I wish grouper. Yung connection ko. Ayan o, connection. Pasok ka lang. Tibay pa rin yung connection ko eh. Kakakulay. Ay, huwag ka dyan sa ilalim. May giant grouper kaya dito. Ayan, puti. Napili na. Uy, huwag ka dyan. Uy, sasabit ka dyan. Uy. Liko. Magpakita lang siya, okay na eh. Malaman natin kung ano eh, itsura. Come on, monster. Get up. Uy, huwag ka dyan. Uy, mapipigtas ka dyan. Ano yan, bro? Patay? Nurse shark. Pakita ka. Hit bulaga. Uy. Oo. Putol ako dyan eh. Oh? Nasa 6 feet. Yan oh.
Bro.
Yan oh, nurse shark, pakita na. Ooh, there you go. Ikot pa. Uy, huwag ka dyan. Putol, putol.
Ay, naputol na?
Hindi, mapuputol. Kasi sasahid siya dyan eh. Hindi ka papagod. Ah, putol. Oh, mayat. Yan oh. Oh. Happy birthday. Yaw na?
Ayaw mo lang?
Ay, okay pa. Kakapagod lang pagka laban na gan.
Tangin na rin.
Tibay din oh. Tibay na rig no, 50 pound lang yun.
Ha?
50 pound lang.
Bumibang siya.
Man, that burned my hands. Reset, reset. So I have a couple of bites that I lost in this jig. That's fishing. You win some, you lose some. But that fight, where my hand up, wore me up. Well, cast again. Try again. Ayan, kumagat bro. Ayan na. Ah, sanabita mo. Ah? So far wala nang masyadong kumagat, kanina lang. but been trying to use this jig, the one that we bought yesterday. Gonna try that one. So the first jig that I used already had 3 bites. I landed one, and for the bottom rig, I have the 2 barracudas. I landed 2 barracudas, and then the first shark bites, it bent the hook, and the second one bite again. I got another bite, and that one we lifted up and then cut me up on the over here on the side of the pier. But that's about it. Later on, we're gonna try to catch a surgeon fish using bread. We'll see for maybe like 30 minutes. See if that one works, and before we leave. All right. Thank you, Lord.